for our favorite pizza. Please press that thumbs up reaction on your Zoom screen for the ever energetic, ever bubbly, and the Rani Lakshmibai of the club, Toastmaster Kavita. Toastmaster Kavita, please repeat after me. Testing 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, testing.
Testing 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, testing.
Thank you. Toastmaster Kavita, which pizza would you like to have? Which pizza would you like to have? Toastmaster Kavita.
Good evening, my dear pizza lovers, and my sincere condolences to those who don't. Me and my friend Jen love to talk over a dozen pizzas and a bottles of Coke. I don't know anything about you guys, but that's how my friends are. So a few months back, me and Jen, we went to a restaurant. Guess what? Domino's. So there we were with one Mexican green wave pizza in my hand and another Mexican green wave pizza in hers. So Kavi, how are you? What's up? How is everything? Arey, you leave aside pizza. Listen what happened to me yesterday. Go ahead, I'm all ears. Okay, so you know what happened? I was getting very bored in my room, so I thought, why don't I just go ahead and take a walk? Okay, so wait, let me finish. So I decided to go for a walk when suddenly I realized that someone is following me. Oh my God, were you hurt? Are you fine? I mean, please come to the point. Okay, so actually, wait, I have not finished yet. Please wait at least. Okay, so I went ahead, I was walking, I was there. I turned back, there was no one. I have heard this thrice. Will you come to the point? Please don't get angry. I'm coming, wait. So, now since you interrupted, I need to start all over again. See? So I was walking down the road. I thought that someone is following me. I turned back. I couldn't find anyone. Only after a few moments, I realized that it was actually a cute little dog. Believe it or not, to come to this point, I took 40 minutes that day. And there was Jen. She was dying to know what has happened to me. The more I prolonged the story, the more irritated Jen became. Dear Toastmasters and guests, the pizza which you are now looking at is actually a plain pizza bread. What makes it delicious is the amount and type of toppings which you add according to your own choice and taste. Just like we have different varieties of pizzas like veggie delight, cheese burst, Mexican green wave, pepper cheese, paneer barbecue, there are different kinds of communication styles as well. To name a few, we have direct communication style. These people are very goal and task oriented. Second is initiating communication style. These people are very sociable, energetic, and fun-loving. On the other side of the spectrum, we have supportive communication style. These people are very steady, calm, and dependable. Last but not the least, we have analytical communicators. These people are very task-oriented, precise, cautious, and private. So depending on all these four communication styles, which style do you think I have? Friends, please do post your answers in the chat window right now as I'm waiting for our answers. Please, fast, go ahead. I'm waiting. Okay, so I can see few comments. Okay, so I can see initiating, I can see analytical. Someone has said direct also. Okay, they ping me personally. Direct communication style and supportive. Okay, so it turns out that I'm having all the 4 communication styles. Great. I think you made my day, friends. Thank you so much. But jokes apart, it's time to reveal the truth. I have an initiating communication style. So on that day, while I was having my conversation with Jen, I actually served her the Mexican green wave pizza, which I like, rather than the peppy paneer, which she loves the most. So on that day, the ideal thing for me to do would have been, hey Jen, do you know what happened to me yesterday? I was just going down the road for a walk and I thought that someone is following me, only to realize that it was actually a cute little dog. But because of my communication style, I went on and on and on with my things, and I took a long time to get to the point, which made Jen very irritated. To be an effective communicator, we must always ensure that it's our responsibility to adapt to others' communication styles rather than expecting them to cater according to us. So suppose if I'm going to talk to my manager who loves peppy paneer cheese barbecue, I can go ahead with my Mexican green wave and I said, please have it. He will probably throw it out or he might not like it. So if I'm going to my manager who is having analytical communication style, I need to be very precise and I need to be, and my arguments should be supported with enough logic and facts. We should all understand that we all have different communication styles. And to work well together, it's very important that we should be aware and understanding of each other's styles. So, friends, which pizza would you like to have? Because I can tweak the pizza based on how you want it. So here I am enjoying my pizza while you guys can just watch me having it as I pass on a piece to our dearest MOC. Back to Shantanu.
Thank you, Kavita. That is a